As a certified rom-com lover, I'm gonna show you how to get the makeup looks every single one of these actresses had on these movies. These looks are rosy, romantic, and very easy to achieve, so let's get that look together. For some skin prep, I'm gonna use a Face Heal Dewy serum. Any Dewy serum will do. I like the Bioma ones for a more affordable option. I wanna keep the dewiness going, so I'm gonna go in with a Dewy moisturizer by Tatcha. Now that my skin is nice and prepped, I'm gonna go in with a foundation that matches my shade perfectly, which is the L'Oreal True Match. One way I get a seamless finish on foundations is going in with a brush first and then blending it out with a beauty blender. Now I'm gonna go in with a small amount of concealer, and we're gonna be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer. I'm just gonna use it to conceal under my eyes. This is gonna be a very natural skin look. Now everybody had the cutest rosy cheeks, so I'm gonna go with the Morphe Cheek Thrills palette in Blind Date. Focus that on my cheekbones and to keep it really light and very rosy. Add a little bit of warmth to my face. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of contour. This one's from Westman Atelier, and I'm not gonna go too heavy with it. Just a little bit, just to warm up the face slightly. And I'm gonna take my Ilia blending brush and really take my time blending it in because I want it to look as seamless as I can. Now we're gonna go in with some powder. I'm gonna try the MAC powder foundation today. I think it really gives 2000s energy, so I'm just gonna use it to set my under eyes. I'm gonna go back in with my Morphe palette and make sure to pick up the powder and put that right on my cheeks as well. For brows, I noticed they kept it pretty natural, but still pretty defined, so I'm just gonna go with the Kosas Brow Gel. A little bit of powder bronzer just to add a little bit more dimension to my face. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Add a little bit of a darker blush. I fear the Morphe one wasn't dark enough for my skin tone, so I'm just gonna go in with the Rhode Teddy Tint just to add a little bit more warmth to my cheeks. I know this wasn't a big thing in the 2000s, but I always think that they have a little bit of a glow to their cheeks. Just maybe it's like the lighting of the camera, but I do want to emulate that in this look. I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Enhancer Balm on my cheeks and on my chin, just to add a little bit of oomph to my face. For the eyes, we're going to keep it very simple with a brown stick shadow. This one is from Urban Decay, and I'm just going to focus it right on the crease of my eyeshadow. Take my time blending it out. I just want a natural wash on my lid. A fluffy brush, and just making sure to blend it out the best that I can. Take a little bit more brown and put it under the eye just to define it a little bit more. For the eyelid, I'm going to go with another Urban Decay eye stick, and I'm just going to put that right on my lid. And blend it out with my finger. Really cute eye look without having to do too much work. Now on to eyeliner. I'm going to keep it light with a brown eyeliner. This one's from Revlon, and we're just going to tightline our eyes. Don't be afraid to tightline. Never be afraid to tightline. It makes such a difference with your looks. And I'm also going to tightline the bottom a little bit. I'm also just going to take a brown liquid liner and just do a line on the top just to add a little bit more definition and dimension. Those are not important to this look, but I just like the way that they look, so I'm going to use these freckles I got off TikTok Shop, and I'm just going to put them on. They are waterproof, so they will last you all day. Another alternative to this is just any eyebrow pencil works too. Super cute and subtle. I just like the way that it looks. Go ahead and curl my lashes with my eyelash curler. I'm going to go in with my favorite mascara of last year, which is the Inane Mascara. This one's great because you can pack on a lot of mascara and it's not going to look clumpy or flaky. And I'm just going to use a little bit on the bottom lash as well. I'm going to go in with lips. I'm going to use the Rare Beauty lip liner, and I'm just a nice little pink color just to add a little bit more dimension and just color to my lips. Now for lips, if you want to keep it very girl next door and matte, keep it just with a lip liner. It looks super cute that way, but I'm going to go with some 2000s icons, which are the Lancome Juicy Tubes. But I think I'm going to go in with the shade Magic Spell specifically to keep with the pink theme. hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. It's so easy, it's so simple, but you can get some nostalgia within your everyday look by looking super cute, movie ready, and I just love a look like this. So comment down below what's your favorite rom-com and let me know what video you want to see next. Just a classic French girl makeup look or a 90s baddie Latina. Thank you so much for liking this video. I make videos like this on niche makeup looks weekly, so if you're interested in that, make sure to give me a like and a follow. And thank you so much for clicking on this video over all the other videos that are on the interwebs, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!